In the howling wind comes the stinging rain. See you driving nails into the souls on the tree of pain. From the firefly, the red-orange glow. See the face of fear running scared in the valley below. Pulling the blue sky, pulling the blue sky, pulling the blue, pulling the blue. In the locust wind comes a rattling hum. Jacob whistled the angel, and the angel was overcome. You plant a demon seed, you raise the flower of fire. See them burning crosses, see the flames higher and higher. Pulling the blue sky, pulling the blue sky, pulling the blue, pulling the blue. And this guy closer to me, his face red like a rose on a thorn bush, like all the colors of a royal flush. And it's peeling off those dollar bills, slapping them down. 100, 200. And I can see those spider planes, and I can see those spider planes across the mud huts where the children sleep, through the alleys of quiet city street. We take the staircase to the first floor. We turn the key and slowly unlock the door. As the man breathes into his saxophone, and through the walls we hear the city groan. Outside it's America. Outside